Dr. Manish, Dr. Satsangi's clinic, a big welcome and hug to all of my friends. Viewers, today I want to speak upon alopecia areata. Alopecia areata, like any other hair loss, is very common nowadays. In the last 1 year, I've seen many patients having a small patch coming on the scalp. There might be a case which is the first time they have a small patch. Overnight they see it. Sometimes the case has been there in childhood or 3 years back or 10 years back. They've been treated with the dermatology, but the condition has not been cured completely. The condition relapsed. Now with best of the tripod, the best of the injections, the condition is not going back. They come to us, and that is a stage when we call it alopecia areata disease of chronic origin. So dear friends, a small information about it. What is alopecia areata? Why it should be treated with homeopathic medicines? Why Dr. Satsangi's celebrates treatment of all kinds of hair loss, which is being considered as very tough nut to be cracked by most of the dermatology treatments? Why you require a holistic and a complete from the root treatment in all these chronic disorders? Now, alopecia areata is an autoimmune disease. In 80% cases, the alopecia areata patch is a result of autoimmune destruction of hair or the follicles. Follicles is where the hair comes from, and hair is what is hair we see on the scalp. This is all hair. So in cases of alopecia areata of autoimmune origin, in medical science, if you go to a skin doctor, he may offer you anti-inflammatories like steroids, which you have to take from inside, oral medicines, or a tricot or triamcinolone injections, which may have you a small local area subcutaneously given, which may result into a recovery of hair for some time. But the conditions is it comes from within. All kind of autoimmune disease is a disease which comes from within. It is not from without. That is, the condition do not come from outside. It comes from inside. So the condition relapse, and then finally you lose more of hair. Then your doctors may not help you with the same medicines which has been productive few years back. Now you rush to other treatments. People come to me when they have already been with the treatment for last 10-20 years, or they have been the relapse case of alopecia areata patch. Now the scalp is completely losing on all the areas, and they have been coming with lots of urgency. Now this is a case where it's very tough to be treated. So friends, I tell you that to recognize alopecia areata, I'm going to tell you in the next tutorials. In the same tutorials, I'm going to explain you. So to recognize it at right time, to get it treated with the second generation homeopathy therapeutics, to come to us, take treatment at Dr. Satsangi's, that's going to cure you from the root. And once the condition becomes better, you don't require to worry throughout the life. Yes, but some cases in which the alopecia areata kills the follicles, you may not expect us to recover it because the follicles is lost, the hair cannot grow. But in majority of cases, the follicle is not being destroyed. The hair is being destroyed. So once the disease is being cured from inside, the condition of regular and natural hair comes back. This is how the treatment goes with Dr. Satsangi's. See, alopecia areata is a disease in which 80% cases comes from autoimmune, but 20% of cases are mechanical, like traction. People, they try to put their hair lots of pressure while they make a ponytail. On females, you can see the traction is being the main cause of hair loss over the front part where the traction or the stretch is there. But again, in 18-20% cases, the fungus is the main reason. That is called tinea capitis. The fungal infection, which is very common nowadays, results into hair loss. Here, the treatment of hair loss is easy because once we understand fungus is there, the immunity is down, the fungus is being cured, the immunity is being up with the medicines, and the condition recovers completely. But I'm talking about the 80% cases where the condition is autoimmune. We have to take care of different signs. We have to diagnose it correctly. In most cases, the loss is with the patient because the doctor is unable to diagnose it correctly. They try to treat it as an antifungal treatment, and the condition relapse, makes body more worse. With the divide of understanding of why it has been there, the condition worsen, and then finally it's being treated for autoimmune disease. The treatment may not help you out. So what we tell you is to come to us, take a proper diagnosis. There are certain signs. The cases who's having autoimmune disease should always see the other signs, like their family or their themselves may be suffering from a kind of allergies, from asthma. It's very common association that the people may develop alopecia areata if they have some kind of allergies in the past. People with pernicious anemia, people with other kind of autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis or hypothyroidism, sometimes in diabetes, the family is having a diabetes of autoimmune origin. The patient is having a more risk of developing a full-fledged alopecia areata, a condition having high level of TIG levels, total immunoglobulin E levels, which is increased in cases of atopy or allergies or eczemas. The patient tend to have more episode of alopecia areata, more worsening condition with a poor prognosis. That's why the early treatment, early recognition of diagnosis at Dr. Satsangis always help the patient to recover it from the root with safe, effective, and holistic homeopathy therapeutics. The treatment is being done at two pronged. One is the diagnostic procedures, where the diagnosis helps us to guide us different kind of strategies regarding your nutrition, like vitamin D, omega acids, all being implicated in cases of alopecia areata. So we try to diagnose you with that. Hypothyroidism, in case you have, we recommend, we refer, or we treat you for the hypothyroidism. If you have other condition of hormonal issues, we try to diagnose and give you referral, or we treat them. So diagnostic level we treat them, and then the homeopathic level, at the level of symptoms and signs, we treat the patients. And once it is being treated, the condition, most of the cases do not revert back. It's almost permanent. But definitely, friends, you require to understand it, that you require to follow, comply, and be with the qualitative phenomena with any doctors, whomsoever you go for the treatment. Do not use home remedies for a long time. In such cases, it may be counterproductive. It may waste the useful time when you could be treated well. So friends, what I speak to you is that a condition of simple hair loss is okay. You try for a period of 15-20 days, 1 month. But if in case it goes beyond that and it is very visible, it's not better to experiment. We are qualified in that. Come to us, we'll help you out. We will help you to regain your confidence. Do not while up the time. This is what my personal advice to all my viewers who are listening. And to listen to me till the last, आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू. आपके अंदर बैठे ईश्वर को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप यू वुड यूटिलाइज द इंफॉर्मेशन इन अ राइट वे. थैंक यू.